A force is that physical quantities which causes or tends to cause a motion in a body at rest or stops a moving body or change the direction of moving body or change the shape and size of a body. Thus, we can say that force is push or pull of an object. As for example, if an object has to be moved, it has to pushed or pulled. Force are due to interactions, and interactions of an object on another object result in a force between the two objects. As for example, if a man stands behind a car, the car does not move. If he pushes the car, he applies force and the car begins to move in the directions of the applied force. This is an example of force. In this section, we will see how net force is affected. In the first case, if two forces act on a body in the same directions, the net force is the sum of two forces. That is, net force is equal to F1 plus F2. And in the case of second case, if the two forces act on a body on the opposite directions, the net force is the difference between the two forces. That is, net force is equal to F2 minus F1. Thus, the effect on the object depends on the net force acting on it. Next is effect of force on an object. Number one is force can make an object to move from rest. Second one is force can stop a moving object. Third one is force can change the speed of an object if it is moving. Fourth one is force can change the direction of an motion of an object. And last one is force can change the shape of an object. Force may cause one or more of these effects. Types of force. There are two main types of force which are as follows. Number one is contact force and second one is non-contact force. Contact force. Contact force are the force exerted by one object on another when they are in contact with each other. They are further classified into two categories. Number one is muscular force and second one is force of frictions. Next one is non-contact force. These are the force exerted by one object on another without any contact with each other. They are further classified into three categories. Number one is magnetic force, second one is electrostatic force, and last one is gravitational force. Muscular force. Muscular force is the force exerted by the muscles of our body. We use muscular force for various activities. Animals like bullocks, horses, camels, donkey, elephants also use muscular force to perform various tasks. Second one is force of friction. Force of friction is the force which opposes the motion of an object over a surface. As for example, if we stop paddling a bicycle, it gradually slows down and comes to a stop due to force of friction. Next, we will take an example of non-contact force, that is magnetic force. Magnetic force is the force exerted by magnets. As for example, force of attractions and repulsions between two magnets. Force exerted by a magnet on a piece of iron or steels. Second one is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is the force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body. As for example, a plastic straw charged by rubbing with paper attract a suspended plastic straw. A plastic straw charged by rubbing with paper repel a suspended particle charged by rubbing with paper. Next one is gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force exerted by the earth on all objects. It pulls all objects towards the earth. A coin or pen falls down when it slips off your hand. A ball thrown upward falls down. Our next topic is pressure. Pressure is the force acting on unit area of a surface. That is, pressure is equal to force per unit area. If the area is smaller, the pressure is more on the surface for the same force. It is easier to push a nail into a wooden plank by its pointed end and its head because the pressure is more. It is easier to cut vegetable with a sharp knife than a blunt knife because the pressure is more. Pressure exerted by liquid. Liquid exert pressure on the wall of a container. Liquid exert pressure on the bottom of a container. It depends upon the height of the liquid column. Liquid exert sideway pressure. Liquid exert equal pressure at the same height. Pressure exerted by gases. Gases exert pressure on the wall of a container. There is air all around the earth. This envelope of air is known as atmosphere. The pressure exerted by this air is known as atmospheric pressure.